SmartTab's Back Office is easy to use and provides insights that are a world apart from other systems. Let me show you. In most of these sections, you'll select the data you want to display by clicking on a day or a range of days. Looking at a single day here, you can see that our sales report is easy to read, but also very granular. On the right-hand side, there's a bar graph where you can hover over each business hour for a snapshot. You can also dynamically filter the sales report by selecting a single business hour, or use the sliders above the graph to select a time range. You can also select certain days of the week within a range, and since the date range and time range filters work together, you can quickly see what's happening on your weekend afternoons for an entire month. Venues that work with promoters find this very helpful. Next, we have our charts section. Here you have a bird's eye view of your sales history over the life of your business. Like all our reporting, the charts are also dynamic. When filtered by week, you're given a visual comparison of all the weeks of business history and how each day in that week performed. Hover over any column in charts for daily details. If we change the filter to month, we can see those weeks rolled up and we can compare monthly sales over time. We can also filter down to the day or up to the year. Our dynamic product mix lets you filter in the same granular way. Let's look at a week. Each category has item contribution in quantity and revenue. From here, export a void and comp report, a product mix CSV, or a detailed mix including modifiers. Use the sliders to filter by time if you want to see what's selling during a specific meal period. You can also view a dynamic report of your modifiers, both regular programmed ones and custom ones used by your staff. In addition to dynamically filtering by date and time range, you can also filter by staff member. This provides a high-resolution picture of how an employee is performing. Our timekeeping system makes payroll easy. Select a pay period to retrieve the employee shift data that you need. Then you can preview the hours and tips by shift here and adjust punches if you need to. Export to one of our integrated providers like Paycom or Heartland, or export to a CSV usable by any payroll service. The charts section provides a visual snapshot of your labor department mix and alerts you to any overtime in those departments. Our tab reporting is live, so what I'm showing you here you could also do on your phone and see all open tabs at your venue in the same detail I'm about to demonstrate. This use case is to monitor suspicious voids. As I view all the checks from this day, I can sort by voids to see if anything funny is going on. When I view the check, I can see a timestamp of every adjustment made to the tab, as well as the void activity and any special instructions. From here, I can email a copy of the receipt to the customer or download it to a PDF. The customer reporting module provides deep insights into your guests. Keep in mind this is demo data that you're viewing. These profiles are automatically created when a guest uses the same payment card. The profile info is also viewable on the POS so your staff can effectively upsell. Here we can see their favorite items as well as all their prior tabs. This report also provides insights into your visit demographics with statistics on new and returning customers. You can also dynamically filter this report as well. We've spent the last year developing and training an artificial intelligence that can accurately predict our clients' sales within a very narrow range. Predictions are also presented in monthly bar graph format with revenue and cumulative growth figures. Our product analysis tool gives you a deep dive into your full revenue picture. You can get as broad or as precise as you like. The demand analysis matrix gives you a picture of what items make you the most money and data on their demand patterns over time. This can inform your decisions about what to keep or remove from your menu. We hope you enjoyed this look at how data-driven operators can use SmartTab to improve their operations. We have more cool developments coming soon, so stay tuned.